Good morning, students. I am Savita Alfred. Welcomes you e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Betia. In my previous video, I have taught you Chapter 3, The Starting Point. Today, I am going to teach you Chapter 5, The Mask. Chapter 4, I have removed because CBSE has given us guideline to remove 30% of each subject. So I will not teach you chapter 4. I am going to teach you unit 5, the mask. This is not that mask which we are using nowadays to protect us from coronavirus. This is a mask which we use in festivals like Dashera and Diwali. So let's start our chapter, the mask. The mask, it is a very interesting story, and the writer of this story is Satyajit Ray. Whether in his films or in his books, Satyajit Ray was a master storyteller. Means Satyajit Ray was a very good story narrator. Whether in his films or in his books, he was a very good narrator. He created two of the most famous characters in Bengali fiction, Feluda the sleuth and Professor Shanku the scientist. His stories are simple and entertaining. There are four characters in this story. Number 1, Feluda the detective, and number 2, Topsy, cousin of Feluda and narrator of the story. Number 3, Rajen Babu. He is a main character in this story. Number 4, Tinkori Babu. He is a paying guest of Rajen Babu. Now let's start the story. Feluda or Pradosh Chand Mitra is an amateur sleuth who is character in a series of Bengali detective fiction novel and short stories which were written by Satyajit Ray. In this story, Feluda or Pradosh Chand Mitra is an amateur sleuth. Amateur sleuth means a person who does the work of detective because he is interested in it and not because it is his job. Means शौक से जो लोग कोई काम करते हैं, यानी कि जासूसी का काम प्रदोष चंद्र मित्र फेलुदा एक शौक से ही वह अपना जासूसी का कार्य करते हैं, वह उनका प्रोफेशन नहीं था. सो in this story, Feluda is a detective and he is an amateur sleuth. It makes his first appearance in this story. And Topsy is Feluda's cousin and the narrator of the story. Narrator means teller of the story. He tells the story. He accompanies Feluda on all his adventures. He always works in all his adventures. Adventures means वे काम जो बहुत ही हिम्मत भरे होते हैं, यानी कि डेंजरस वर्क और बहुत ही साहसिक कार्य में वह उनके हमेशा साथ रहता था. Feluda and Topsy are on a holiday in Darjeeling when this incident occurs. Feluda or Topsy, they were on a vacation in Darjeeling when this incident happened. I had accidentally overheard a disturbing conversation between Rajen Babu and a friend of his when I was sitting in the mall and had reported to Feluda that there seemed to be something to investigate. I. Here I is Topsy. Topsy accidentally listens the conversation between Rajen Babu and his friend. They were talking about something which Topsy listens. And he was sitting in the mall. Mall means a stretch of road, generally the main road of a hill station where people go for a stroll or shopping. In some hill stations, vehicles are not allowed in malls and there are places for people to sit and relax. मॉल जो कि एक चौड़ा रास्ता होता है, जनरली मेन रोड जो कि हिल स्टेशन में होता है, जहाँ पीपल गो फॉर स्ट्रोल मीन्स वॉकिंग और शॉपिंग. लेकिन कुछ हिल स्टेशंस में व्हीकल्स को अलाउ नहीं किया जाता है मॉल्स में, और पीपल वहाँ पर लोग वहाँ पर जाते हैं और बैठते हैं और रिलैक्स करते हैं. Topsy was sitting in the mall. When he was sitting in the mall, he had reported to Feluda. Then he goes to Feluda and tells that I have heard something wrong, and we can investigate. There is something wrong, so we can investigate what is wrong there. Paragraph 2. Rajen Babu, an amiable old man. Amiable old man. Amiable means friendly and good-natured man. So here he tells Rajen Babu was a friendly old man, a good-natured man, and was living a peaceful retired life in Darjeeling. And he was living peaceful. Retired means सेवानिवृत्त, वो अपने नौकरी समाप्त हो चुका था. So he was living peacefully in Darjeeling. Recently he had taken in a paying guest. So recently he had taken a paying guest. Paying guest जो कि अपना रहने का किराया देता है, पैसा देता है और वहाँ पर रहता है, रेंट पे घर ले करके रहता है. So recently he had taken in a paying guest named Tinkori Babu on the recommendation of a dear friend. Recommendation means saying that the person is good and he can be allowed to stay as a paying guest. Means उनके दोस्त ने रिकमेंड किया था कि यह पर्सन अच्छा व्यक्ति है और उसे पेइंग गेस्ट की तरह रखा जा सकता है. सो राजेन बाबू को उनके एक दोस्त ने रिकमेंड किया था कि ये टिंकोरी बाबू एक अच्छे इंसान हैं और इन्हें पेइंग गेस्ट के रूप में वह अपने घर में रख लें. बट टिंकोरी बाबू had a special weakness for cheroot, and before moving into Rajen Babu's house, he had made sure that Rajen Babu had no objection to it. Special weakness means special licking. टिंकोरी बाबू को एक स्पेशल वीकनेस थी, मीन्स उनकी एक बुरी आदत थी. ही वॉज एडिक्टेड फॉर cheroot. Cheroot is a kind of cigar. ए काइंड ऑफ सिगार, एक सिगार होता है। चिंकोरी बाबू को चेरूट का एक बुरी एडिक्शन था। एंड बिफोर मूविंग इनटू राजेन बाबू's हाउस he had made sure that राजेन बाबू had no objection to it। और उनके घर में जाने से पहले उन्होंने राजेन बाबू से इसके लिए अलाउ करवा लिया था कि उन्हें इस बात से कोई ऑब्जेक्शन नहीं है। सो टुडे आई हैव टॉट यू paragraph 1 and 2. I hope you have understood it. So write down these word meanings in your copy and learn it. And students, schools are going to open, so you have to clear your fees and complete your copies, all copies and books, and submit it in the school. We will check your copies, so you have to submit it in the school. Your CW, HW, both copies you have to complete, and we will check your copies, because in second term exam we are going to give you 40% marks for your copies. So students, complete your copies and give it to check. Thank you.